has given Maps a serious makeover with iOS 26, and it might be the smartest update yet. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, Maps now understands natural human speech, letting users talk to it the way they would talk to a friend. No more stiff keyword commands. Just say, "Show me the closest Chinese restaurant that's still open," and Maps instantly gets it. The new AI-powered search is faster, smarter, and way more chatty. Once you update your iPhone, a new pop-up appears on Maps that reads, "Search the way you talk." That's exactly what this upgrade delivers. Conversational experience that saves time and frustration. You can even make follow-up requests like, "How's traffic there?" or "Is there a parking lot nearby?" And Apple Maps will understand the context to keep your navigation smooth and uninterrupted. This upgrade pairs up with Siri as well, especially for those who use Apple CarPlay. With iOS 26, voice commands are more accurate than ever, letting you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road while still getting quick, personalized results. Apple's AI will understand your habits, common routes, and local conditions to make travel simpler and safer. But Apple didn't stop there. The update also comes with two handy new tools: Visited Places and Preferred Routes. Visited Places automatically logs where you've been, so you can easily find that great cafe or store you forgot the name of. Meanwhile, Preferred Routes learns your daily travel patterns and warns you about traffic, construction, or other delays, offering alternate routes where needed. Apple Maps isn't just about getting from point A to B. With iOS 26, it's becoming an intelligent companion that knows your routines, listens to you, and helps you move smarter every day. Are you ready for the new Apple Maps? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.